Hi, I'm Professor Dom Celentano, and I'm an adjunct here at Kean University College of Business and Public Administration in the Marketing Department. I created these video clips as sort of a sneak preview of my courses, since it's really hard to tell what a class is like just from the one paragraph description you might see in the catalog or on a syllabus. So, this is a great way to see how I teach, what the courses are about, and what you should expect. Besides teaching, I provide strategic marketing to small businesses as well as strategic marketing to family-run businesses because I come from a family business. I also run a course called The Foodpreneur, and it's a continuing education program for people in the food business. My teaching philosophy can be summed up very simply. Don't tell me what you've learned, but tell me how you're going to act differently with the knowledge you've gained in the classes you've taken with me. Knowledge must be tied to acting differently for success, both in business and in life. Now, my classes are not strict lecture. I like an atmosphere of engaged discussion, and this really accurately depicts what you're going to run into in the business world. So just having the right answer is not enough for what I consider class participation. I want you to be engaged with original ideas and thoughts. And this is really going to add great value to the class for that day. Marketing can't be taught solely from the book. So in some classes, we're going to have guest speakers. We're going to use in-class simulations and role-play exercise. I like to teach learning by doing. I have a whole variety of real-world resources, so we're not just going to be reading the textbooks. Some significant portion of the class will not be textbook reading, but will be these real-world resources. And all of this, once again, simulates the professional work environment, and it's a lot more fun. Here's just a few examples of what we might be using. For example, Information Resources is a very large data provider, and they are now looking at a new concept called migration marketing. You're not going to find that in the textbooks. Demand Tech is another company, and they have a webinar on how retailers can improve consumer promotional strategies and tactics. A company called Concept Marketing has a presentation on shopper retention. We're also going to use NRS Smart Brief, which is a daily e-newsletter of current retail industry news. So I'll be scouring NRF, for example, and posting what I think is the most significant piece for the week. I also have a library called iSight, and I'll go over that during class day one. And iSight is a social bookmarking site where I keep pertinent articles that we will be using in class. Again, this is going to give you a leg up in a very tight job market. So as you can see, I use really interesting tools that make the course more enjoyable as well as relevant. I'm also going to be incorporating social media into each of my classes because retail marketing is significantly impacted by the type of what we call a listening strategy, and we'll talk more about this. I also have several assignments that I'm going to be posting on YouTube, and these assignments will be in lieu of, let's say, a regular textbook assignment, and you're going to find them extraordinarily interesting. I encourage abstract thinking and problem solving throughout the semester. Businesses value people who have these skills, and they're going to help you in your professional life. The assignments that we have are going to be thought-provoking and relevant to what you will be learning. So tour the site for more information. You can click on each of the classes that are on the main page to the right. Contact me if you have any questions, and I really look forward to seeing you the first day of class.